Merong bago ngayon si Dr. Leo na another set for skincare that helps to get rid of our dark spots and acne marks. Ito ang 377 Dr. Leo VC Whitening and Spot Fading set. This is the another set that we must have, lalo na ito ay naka-seal. This product has niacinamide and other ingredients that will help our skin to whiten and soothe our skin. Let's try first the serum. If you have sensitive skin in those ingredients, you can apply a small amount on the back of your ear and wait for about 3 to 5 minutes. I have sensitive skin na kung saan may mga product akong na-try na imbis makatulong, ay nagpa-irritate ng aking skin. But this product was really good. After checking kung may allergy ba ako, ay nag-proceed na akong ilagay sa aking face. So, saktong-sakto lang talaga siya para sa mga sensitive skins. Dr. Leo is the first choice you must have and try. Dahil ito ay makakatulong sa ating balat, sa pampaputi, at lalo na sa mga problema natin sa ating muka. Naglagay lang ako ng maliit na amount sa aking kamay at saka ko ito ipinahid sa aking muka. Ang maganda sa serum na to ay hindi siya sticky unlike other brand. After using serum, cream naman ang isusunod natin. It has niacinamide. After serum, cream naman ang ating isusunod. Cream has niacinamide, ceramide, and other ingredients that help our skin. These two products will help us to cut off melanin production from the source, block melanin, acylate regions, brighten and whiten our skin. As we grow older, we will have fine lines and yung mga spots sa ating face na matagal na mag-fade. Or minsan hindi pa nga. Kaya we need this product to look more glowing. Kaya sa wala pang skincare na ganito, bumili na kayo ng 377 Dr. Leo V7 Whitening and Spot Fading Set. Mag-stocks na kayo, lalo na't naka 55% off sila. Samantalahin habang sale. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Check up na. Check the yellow basket and buy now. Thank you for watching and see you next vlog. Bye!
Thanks for watching. Share. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next vlog.